Hello students, good morning. In this video we will discuss about the meta-directing influence of some groups and then meta-directing influence of NO2 group. Okay, in the last video we studied the para and ortho directing influence of the groups. Okay, and the para and ortho directing groups, these are Cl, then Br, then here OH, and these are negative. Okay, so means the compounds or group of elements or the elements species which contain the pair of electron or negative charge. So which shows the minus I effect, that is the minus negative inductive effect. These atoms or group of atoms, this functional group, when they are connected to the benzene, that is called as the monosubstituted benzene, and in presence of this group they shows the ortho and para directing influence. Okay, but in case of NO2 or here in case of NO2 positive or NO or Cn or COOH or SO3H in presence of this group means electron deficient species, and this group as a substituent in this way. Here this is the monosubstituted benzene, and if this S, these are the electron deficient species. Then what happened and why they are so called as the meta directing influencing groups or meta deactivating groups. Okay, so let's start with the meta directing influence of NO2 group. And we know that here NO2, the structure of NO2 is here double bond, and here this is O, and it contains negative charge, and this is contain partially positive charge. Means all the meta directing group, they carries the either partially positive charge or they carries the positive charge. Means these are the electron deficient species. Okay, so in presence of this NO2, this is the nitrobenzene. So NO2 combined with this benzene. Okay, now here because of this positive charge, the pair gets transferred to C and N between the carbon and this nitrogen, and it gets converted into the double bond. And now these pi electrons between N and O, they get transferred, the pair of electron transferred to oxygen, and that oxygen carries negative charge. Okay, and here ortho position carries positive charge. Again here repeat that here in this structure, this pair of electron gets transferred here. Okay, and as this pair of electron gets transferred here, the positive charge come to the para position. Okay, and double bond is between 2 and 3 position. Okay, so next it gives the para direct, means here para position carries the partially positive charge. Then again here this pair of electron or this pi electron, it gets transferred here, and double bond is between here between 4th and 5th position, and the positive charge is on the 6th one position. Okay, and again this pair of electron come across between the 1 and 6th position, here double bond is carried out, and then if this pair on electron get transferred between the N and O bond, and therefore this is the N double bond O. So these numbers here 1, here 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5th one. Now observe this, the structure number 2, 3 and 4. In the structure number 2, 3 and 4, ortho and para positions, they carries the positive charge. As they carry the positive charge, here meta directing position or this meta position, they are comparatively larger electron density. Means here there is a very less density at ortho and para position, whereas meta position has the comparatively more electron density than the ortho and para position, and hence these NO2 or Cn or COOH or COOR or CHO or SO3H, these groups which carries the partially positive positive charge. These are the meta-directing groups. Okay. Next one, that is carcinogenity of the benzene. So benzene and benzene compounds, where two or more benzene rings, these are fused together to form the another compound. They are called as the mother of carcinogenity. So carcinogenity means the causing factors causing cancer. And what is cancer? Cancer means unwanted mutation of the cells, tissues. They are called as a cancer. So when benzene on oxidation, it forms the epoxide. And epoxide, when it combines with the RNA to form to gives the mutation of the cell, and this causes the cancer. Again, benzene pyrene. So benzene pyridine or benzene pyrene to form the epoxydiol. And again epoxydiol or epoxide, they mute with or they combine with the RNA and to form the mutation, or it generates the mutation of the cell, and which causes the deadly diseases, cancer. And that's why benzene and benzene products or benzene compounds, they are called as the carcinogenic factors or carcinogenic compounds. These are the toxic and toxic for the human health. Okay, so after watching this video, attempt the following question. 1. Discuss meta-directing influence of NO2 group. Second one, what are meta-directing groups? Here only names and their structures are expected. Here, then third one, benzene is mother of carcinogenity. Explain why. Explain why. Fourth one, benzene pyrene, benzopyrene causes cancer. Explain why. Here mechanism is expected. Okay.